Hello friends, welcome back to a new tutorial series of MySQL. In the previous video, we had seen that how to create a table and also how to insert the record. Now the next one is select statement. Why select statement is used in MySQL? It is used to fetch the data from the one or multiple tables in MySQL. We can retrieve the records of all the fields or specified field in the particular table or from the single table. Now as per the syntax, we have to go with select. Then after particular expression, these expressions can be a particular single field or multiple field, or you can use asterisk sign, or I can say a star. Now then after from, and then after particular name of the table from which you want to fetch all the records. Now as you know that using insert statement, we have inserted all the record as per our table student, and we had inserted all the 10 records, that is 1 to 10 records. Now suppose we want to check that whether we had entered the record perfectly or not. So we can go with the select statement. So select, then after we have to use the expression. Now suppose we want to check all the records, then we can write select. Then after asterisk sign, or I can use the word star also from table name. Right now name of the table is student. So let's check that whether we had entered the record perfectly or not. So we having total 10 record. See, first one is 1 Dharmik 12B 95 male and this date. So as we had entered over here, we had answered each and every record, that is total 10 record. See the fifth one, 5 Aryan 12C and null. As we have written 5 Aryan 12C and null. So why is select statement? Suppose we want to retrieve all the record from the table, then we can use the select statement over there. Now we can assign multiple possibility also. Now suppose you want to check that just roll number and name only. I had changed the name of the roll number to RNO. Now suppose you want to use the name of the specific field, then suppose first name only. Select name, that is as the expression from table name. Right now name of the table is student. So after select and before from, whatever you are going to write will be there as the output screen. So right now all the name, that is Dharmik, Asia up to Dhruvik, all the records are there, but just name only. Now suppose you want to check multiple fields. Now suppose you want roll number also and name also. Then what you have to do is roll number comma name, means RNO comma name. Yes, you can write in capital character also and lower character also. Now keep in mind that suppose you want to display multiple fields, and you have to use comma between that two particular field. So RNO, then after name. I am going to press the enter. So as output you are having total multiple 2 fields. Likewise you can display as many fields as you want to display from the particular table. So I am going to display roll number, name, gender and DOB from the particular table. So roll number, name, gender and DOB is there as output. Now keep in mind that whatever you are going to write in the sequence only after select statement. Now suppose I am first going to display the name, and then after I am going to write RNO from table name. So first in the output screen, first name field will be there, and then after roll number field will be there. See, first name field is there, and then after roll number field is there. So after select statement in sequence only, whatever you are going to write over here, as per that only output screen will be there. So first name is there, and then after roll number is there. So this is all about the basic of select statement. Means keep in mind that first you have to use select, then after expression you can use asterisk sign also to display all the record. You can use particular name of the field to display as output screen from, and then after name of the table.